Guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to set a GIF background in Google Chrome. So this is kind of like a live background, and I'll show you what I mean. So if I actually go ahead and open up Google Chrome, you'll see on my Google page, and every time I open up a new tab, it's got a kind of live background rather than static background. If you found this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's actually fairly simple, and you can do this on any kind of PC. So you can do it on like a Chromebook, a Windows 10 laptop. You can even do it on like a MacBook, for example. So the first thing you want to do is actually come across to google.com. And the best way to do this is if you go ahead and type what kind of image you're searching for. So I could do something like, let's go for space. Then what we're going to do is click onto images. And then from here, if you look at the menu underneath the search bar, and there's actually a button here called Tools. So what you need to do is actually give that a click. And that's going to bring up a few more options. And if you click on this one that says Type, and it's going to bring up a drop-down menu, and then go ahead and click onto GIF. So all these are going to be GIFs that you can use. You can see it's got the GIF in the bottom left-hand corner of each picture. So you would just go ahead and choose one you like the look of. In this example, we're just going to go ahead and click onto this one. Once you clicked onto it, you're going to get a preview of what that looks like. And if you're happy with that, all you need to do is right click and then go down and click onto Save Image As. And what we're going to do is basically after this, after the file name to save it, we're going to put .png. Then we're going to hit the Save button. And that's going to download that ready to use. So to actually set this, what we're going to do is open up a new tab. And once you've opened up a new tab, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, there's actually a little sort of pencil icon. Just go ahead and give that a click. And what you want to do is leave it onto background and then click this button which says Upload from Device. And you'll see that will be downloaded. So all you need to do is literally give that a click. And you can see that's now changed the background and this is now set. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.